Elon Musk is known to put plenty of miles on jets, and now he's got another in his arsenal. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO now has access to a second lavish Gulfstream aircraft for jetting between car factories, rocket launch sites, and everywhere in between. When you are the richest man in the world, you can buy things that many can't afford. In this video we are going to take a look at the Elon Musk private jet that is worth $70 million. Before watching, please subscribe and like the video, and most importantly watch until the end because we have a surprise for you. Falcon Landing LLC, a shell company with ties to SpaceX's Hawthorne, California headquarters, recently registered a new Gulfstream G550 jet alongside its larger G650. According to its broker listing, the new jet has space for 17 passengers that can be reconfigured into a sleeping configuration. The new jet doesn't appear to have made any Tesla or SpaceX-related flights yet, though the previous G650 frequently flies between California and the Texas coast, where the company has eyes on building a private village complete with hotel rooms, recreation options, and parties, and is buying out current residents to make it happen. Flight data obtained by the Washington Post shows that Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has a private jet that logged about 150,000 miles in 2018. While many billionaires have private jets, Musk's jet stands out in the number of trips it made and miles it logged, the Post reports. Perhaps most egregious, the plane logged a number of 20-mile trips, repositioning from the south side of Los Angeles to the north side. Tesla said Musk never used the plane to fly between different spots in Los Angeles, the Post reports. Instead, the jet would make the 20-mile repositioning flights to meet the CEO at a closer airport. Flying is an extremely carbon-intensive activity, made worse when only a few people are transported, rather than many on a commercial jet. According to the Post, the 150,000 miles that Musk's jet flew represents roughly 250 flights. Although it's not always clear that Musk was aboard every flight, the CEO's private jet made 100 more flights than the private jet of Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon and owner of the Washington Post. Beyond Musk's carbon budget, the private flights also impose on Tesla financially, as the company covers much of Musk's jet expenses. Apple reportedly spent $93,000 on private flights for CEO Tim Cook in 2017, whereas Tesla seems to have spent about $700,000 that same year on flying Musk around in a Gulfstream G650er. The company has scheduled a financial call on Wednesday of this week. Tesla told the Post that it does not pay for personal trips made by Musk. The Post received logs of flights made by Musk's jet from an anonymous industry official and confirmed them through a Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) request from the Federal Aviation Administration. Musk's plane, like the private jets of many billionaires, is not tracked by public flight trackers upon request of the plane owner. Ours has reached out to Tesla for confirmation of the Post's report, and we'll update if we hear back. In a response to the Post, Tesla spokesperson Dave Arnold said, "Until we can teleport, there's unfortunately no alternative that would allow him to do his job as effectively." Hey, if you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you are liking the most of our video, and we are going to give away $50 for a random person who comments. $50. The cabin noise level is really low. There are no vibrations or noise by resonance, which shows the efficiency of the G650's acoustics, which came from the design of nuclear submarines. We can say that the low noise level of the passenger cabin is among the great differentials of the G650. A bedroom with its own en-suite is the ultimate asset of any jet interior, and on the world's largest, it's a sanctuary. The bed's smart foam mattress declined, with a button push on the plane's smartphone app, from recumbent seating into full sleep position, while the lights dimmed in parallel and the oval windows went from transparent to dark. Instantly, the soft-lit room, with equally soft music, became more luxe hotel than all business lounge. Scale aside, the cabin's 57-foot length and 8-foot width look palatial. The real differentiators between the G700 and every other business jet are the small, smart and often hidden details across the interior, as well as a commitment to using biofuel for its new generation Rolls-Royce Pearl 700 engines. At the 6-seat zone that transforms into the dining area, the G700 has more secrets awaiting discovery. Hidden in the inlay of the walnut leaf that creates the dining table is an automatic charging pad to power a smartphone placed on the tabletop, creative touches and embedded technology are everywhere, concealed behind the conventional-looking exterior. According to the Washington Post, Musk put more than 150,000 miles on the plane in 2018, including pet projects and vacation in addition to running the two companies. Now, with Tesla building a new car factory in Texas, it's likely that Musk will be traveling even more. Musk's jet is also owned by Jeff Bezos, Cristiano Ronaldo, Dwayne Johnson, Steven Spielberg and Oprah Winfrey. That is the end of the video. Don't forget to watch our past videos and subscribe for daily